exhibit Kamsu through the years, many roots one vision house the Kamsu Library is more than just display. It's tribute to the university enduring legacy. It captured the milestone struggles and success that have shaped Kamsu into the institution. It is today the exhibit invites us to honor our past while embracing the vision that connects every campus, every student, and every members of our university community. Kamsu journey began in 1954 as the Negros Occidental School of Arts and Trades. Over the decades, the institution transformed in name and purpose to respond to the region changing educational landscape. In 1968, it became the Bacolod City National Trade School, and in 1983, it merged with other local institutions to form Aglaom State College. A decade later, in 1994, it was renamed Carlos Hilado Memorial State College. Finally, in 2019, it achieved whole university status as Carlos Hilado Memorial State University. The exhibit showcased the rich cultural heritage that defines Kamsu, photographs, historical documents, and curated artifacts tell stories, not just institutional change but the people behind it, the education, alumni, staff, and students who gave life to the university mission. The cultural tapestry depends our sense of identity and reminds us that Kamsu's legacy is built on shared values, diverse backgrounds, and collective pursuit of knowledge and service. At the heart of the exhibit is our shared vision to become a leading green university recognized for academic excellence, impactful research, and genuine community engagement. It also emphasizes Kamsu's commitment to education of sustainable development, encouraging us to be forward-thinking and socially responsible. Some versions of the exhibit include interactive features like video, testimonials from alumni, digital timelines, photo walls, and feedback station, making the experience more expensive and allowing students to connect personally with the university's story.